today's video, I'm going to be depositing £10 into an account to show you how we try and flip £10 to £1,000. Let's get stuck in. Welcome to episode 1 of £10 to £1,000 account challenge. Now, before we get started, we just want to explain to you how we're going to do it and why we're doing it. Now, you don't need a lot of money in Forex to get going. So this is what we want to show people. Start with £10 and just slowly work your way up. We're not going to be risking as much as we do on our actual accounts. So what we're going to do is we're going to be risking between 1% to 2% per day, per trade. Maximum per day, 2 trades. All setups will be shown every day of each trading day we take. So for example, Monday's trades we'll upload on Tuesday. Tuesday's trades we'll upload on Wednesday, etc, etc. So the reason why we're doing it, no one can really afford to put in £5,000. When you're 18, do you know what I mean? No one has £5 grand lying around. And anyway, I don't advise putting in £5,000, and the reason being, because you're going to lose it. Start low and build your way up. Just learn how to trade before losing your money, because like I've said, I lost a lot of money before I actually thought, shit, I need to do something about this. So to be honest, I wish I started with £10, learn how to trade Forex before jumping the gun and blowing what I did. So we are going to do it, and we'll just start slowly. So click that like button, click that subscribe button so you don't miss out.